Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to wear multiple back accessories on Roblox. So without wasting any more time, let's start out today's video. Wearing multiple back accessories in Roblox can be done using a few different methods. Here's how you can do it. Method 1. Using BTRoblox extension. Install BTRoblox. Download and install the BTRoblox extension from the Chrome Web Store. Pin the extension to your browser. Enable Advanced Settings. Click on the BTRoblox icon and go to the Settings page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and enable the option to remove accessory limits. Select accessories. Refresh or open a new avatar page on Roblox. Select the back accessories you want to wear. Method 2. Using asset IDs. Equip first accessory. Go to your avatar editor and equip the first back accessory. Find asset ID. Open the second back accessories page and copy its asset ID from the URL. Add asset ID. Go back to the avatar editor and click on the advanced button. Paste the copied asset ID into an empty asset ID field and click save. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.